Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from exoticgardening.com.
And Jeffrey Rhoades.
And this is
Charlie.
He wanted to be part of the video, I guess. Actually, he just wants to sit with his daddy and get some attention. Okay. I have to tell you first, I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. This is a lovely box from Botanical Interests. Now, I am an affiliate of theirs, and I don't know if that's the right word. Anyway, I have their ads on my blog, and I do get income if people click on their ads and purchase items. I love Botanical Interests because they are committed to being GMO free. So that is really, really important to me. And that is why I support them. That is why I chose to be part of their affiliate program. And that is why I am so excited to share with you this box of seeds that I received. This is what it looks like when you open it up inside. For going to GardenComm this year. They offered all of us some free seeds and I signed up. Isn't that just the prettiest little paper? Inside, show you inside and then I'll get everything out. Inside is a 2022 calendar and several packets of seed. I'm going to let Jeff hold this. Now here is something that I noticed about this. Not only is this really cute and desk-sized, which is wonderful and very, very colorful, but inside you have your calendar, and then if you flip it upside down, you have information on some of the different seeds. It is like this every month of the year. So that was February. This is March. And there is a place here also for garden notes. That's what this is. April. That burgundy broccoli is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And I have grown some of the purple broccolis, and they are very pretty in the garden. May. June. July. August. September. October. I hope I'm not going too fast. November, and look at that kale. Isn't that beautiful kale? Mm. I know you don't like kale. That's dazzling blue. Okay, and December. December was kind of sticky, but there it is. And then on the back, this actually opens out, so you can actually set that on your desk. But the thing I'm most excited about is the seeds. So, as a thank you, they put some muscadine lettuce in there. They also included a nice seed starting guide with it folds out like this. Information on both sides. Some of the information includes information on how to read on the back of the packet if you should sow indoors or outdoors. When is the correct time to sow? So it really looks like this, starting your garden outdoors, starting seeds indoors, and enjoying your garden. So a lot of this is how to read the back of a seed packet. Oh, sorry. Most seed packets have a lot of information on the back of them. everything from when to sow outside to when to sow inside, to the days for the seedling to emerge, the seed spacing, the seed depth, thinning, maturity. That's when you should expect the fruit or flowers to happen if you grow from seed. And then there's usually a little bit of information here about the plant itself. So that is on the back of every single seed packet. I know for some reason a lot of people don't realize that, but it's there. So it is something that you should look at and you should read and you should understand. I received this chili pepper, and do you want to say the name of it? I'm not sure how to say that. But Biquino?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a red or yellow blend. I'm not sure how to say the name of that, but there it is. Aren't those really pretty? And these are Brazilian peppers that are tangy, sweet, and smoky with a touch of heat.
Mm.
So, is that sounding pretty good to you?
Possibly.
This Petunia Garden Party Blend. Look at that. Isn't that really a pretty petunia? Now I didn't realize, no, that doesn't open up. These open up, I think the seed packet didn't. Maybe didn't.
Yeah. This is just a
That's
standard,
a normal seed packet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Seed packet.
This is a different type of seed packet. And I don't know if this is like a normal thing that they're doing or not. But it must be, because there's another one like it. It is interesting because inside of here, it has a lot of additional information. Historical information. For these petunias, it says, sometime in the late 1700s, 2 species of petunia were discovered in South America. European breeders began crossing them in order to produce larger flowers and more collars. In the early 1950s, the first red petunia came on the market, and the first yellow one in the late 70s, and in the 80s, larger flowers or larger plants with even more collars were developed, including bicollars and tricollars, and the popularity of petunias blossomed. Now that's interesting, because I had no idea. I knew that petunias had a scent in the evening. Now I don't know about all petunias, but I know some of the older ones do, and I tested that when someone told me that. I know that petunias will self-seed sometimes if you let them go to seed in your garden and just let those seeds drop, at least here in Indiana. But who knew that it took all those years to create the first petunia, and then almost 30 years after they were created to become popular? So I guess that explains why everybody had petunias in their garden in the 80s. There is some pest control information here. Some hardening off information. Oh wow, your average last day of frost information. So, very interesting. I really like that historical information.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is Eucalyptus Baby Blue, and I am super excited about this because I love growing eucalyptus. This one does not have any historical information on the inside of it, but it does have special sewing instructions. And it also has design ideas. So that's really cool. That's quite a bit different. Cape Daisy Zulu prints. That's what that looks like. So let's see. It's also one that opens up inside. It has optimal growing conditions, starting seeds indoors. So that's what's on the inside of that one. So it looks like they're different depending on what exactly you have. This is amaranth. Love lies bleeding coral fountain. And this is a really cool plant if you have not grown it. It is definitely something that you might want to try to put in your garden, especially if you like the tropical look and you like really big plants. I'm curious. I usually grow amaranth that is edible. It does not say, it says that this is for everlasting arrangements, wreaths, and crafts. It is also a plant that attracts pollinators. Okay, right here. It will produce protein-rich edible seeds that you can harvest for yourself or leave for the birds. So this is an edible variety of amaranth. So you could grow it because it's pretty, and then you could have the seeds to eat. The seeds are really great put on top of homemade breads and things. Or you could just leave them there for the birds. Some varieties of amaranth will self-sow, and that is here in Indiana, even though it is more of a tropical plant. I have literally ended up with like a quarter of my garden in self-sown amaranth before. So be aware of that. Another one we got was strawberry, red and yellow wonder blend. So yes, you can grow strawberries from seed. These are alpine strawberries. And again, they have the non-GMO verified seal on everything. And last is pepper. It is a jalapeno chili, New Mex lemon spice. Look at that. What do you think of that one, Jeff? It is a new color for jalapeno. It was created by the Chili Pepper Institute in New Mexico to have all the heat of a green jalapeno with a citrus undertone. Why are you laughing? You know something here.
Well, I'm not exactly sure where the New Mexico, the
Chili Pepper Institute.
The Chili Pepper Institute is. But I do know that Hatch, New Mexico, is a producer of the of green chilies. And what do you, the 2,500 to 5,000 Scoville?
Yes, so it's a medium hot.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. But yes, I lived in New Mexico. I lived north of Hatch, New Mexico, and that was a primary location for green chilies. And these are a little different. They're not the standard green chili. They're jalapeno, but they're a new variety with a citrus undertone. So, they may be pretty good. But yeah, it's anything coming out of New Mexico dealing with chilies. There's probably a connection to Hatch somewhere in there.
And your interest is piqued.
Well, it reminds me of my time in New Mexico, so that's kind of entertaining.
Yes.
And I have friends that are ordering online and having deliveries of Hatch green chilies. One guy lives in Oklahoma and is getting Hatch green chilies. So I've thought about it myself.
Yep.
But if we can grow those, that may take care of it.
They may be better.
Yeah,
We'll have to see.
I think they're probably a little warmer.
Okay. So anyway, that was what was in the box from Botanical Interest. I will definitely be growing these out next season, of course, and letting you know which ones we actually like. Hopefully, I think we'll like all of them, but Of course, you always have your favorites every year. And I would like to thank Botanical Interest for being a supporter of GardenComm and sending all of us this wonderful box of seeds that we get to try. And also for being, yeah, my mind just went blank, guys. I'm sorry. For being for selling USDA organic seeds and being part of the non-GMO project. Right there. That's really important. At least to me, and I hope it is to you too. So I hope you will subscribe. If you are enjoying our videos and you would like to say thank you and show your support, please click the join button and join our membership. Inside of our membership, you will get special perks depending on the level of membership that you choose. You don't lose any perks by being a level 2 or level 3 supporter. You gain perks. So you get everything from the level before you plus everything of that level. So our level 3 supporters get the whole thing. So, your turn.
Please give us some comments. Let us know what you think.
Ask questions. Go ahead.
Go ahead. You wanted to.
I just wanted to encourage them to ask questions.
And that's what I was about to say too.
Yeah.
And you cut me off. She does that a lot. So, but yes, please ask us questions. If there's anything that you want to know, and if we don't know it right offhand, we'll find the information and try and get back to you with it. You know, hit that notification button. You know, sign up.
And remember, the more questions you ask, the more we can bring you content that you definitely want. If I don't know the answer, if I can't get the answer, I will get it. There's a lot of information on these seed packets, but sometimes the information is always correct. Let me say that. But things can vary depending on where you live and what methods you use to start the seeds. The way that you grow them, if you use a lot of fertilizer, or in my case, very little, if any, fertilizer. So because I like to use the compost that we have instead of actual fertilizer. So my results could vary based on that. So definitely ask questions. Leave us some comments. We enjoy that. And hit that subscribe button.
So, thank you for watching. And everybody stay safe out there.
And have a great night. Bye.